Blue chip stocks are shares of large, well-established and financially stable companies with a history of reliability and market leadership. These companies are often leaders in their industries, possess strong brand recognition, and consistently generate revenue and profits. Blue chip stocks are known for their stability, typically paying dividends to shareholders, and are considered less risky than smaller, more speculative stocks. Investors often turn to blue chip stocks as a way to preserve capital, receive dividend income, and benefit from the long-term growth potential offered by these established companies. But before we dive into the colorful lives of blue chip stocks, make sure to subscribe the channel for more productive advice on personal finance and success, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Investing in blue chip stocks holds several key importance for investors, whether they are beginners or experienced. Blue chip stocks are typically issued by well-established, reputable companies with a history of stability and reliability. Investing in these stocks can provide a sense of security, as they are less likely to experience extreme price fluctuations or financial distress. Many blue-chip companies have a track record of paying dividends consistently. This can be attractive for income-oriented investors, as it provides a regular stream of income. Dividend payments can be used to supplement other income sources or reinvested to grow the investment. Blue-chip stocks are often viewed as a way to preserve capital. While they may not offer the same level of growth potential as smaller, riskier stocks, they are less likely to experience significant losses during market downturns. This capital preservation aspect can be crucial for investors seeking stability. Blue chip stocks are usually highly liquid, meaning they can be easily bought or sold on the stock market. This liquidity ensures that investors can enter or exit positions with minimal price impact, which is especially important for large investments. Although blue-chip stocks may not provide explosive short-term gains, they tend to offer steady, long-term growth. These companies often have a history of adapting to changing market conditions and maintaining their competitive edge. Blue-chip stocks are considered lower risk compared to smaller, speculative stocks. Their size, financial strength, and established market presence reduce the likelihood of bankruptcy or business failure. Many blue-chip companies operate in various sectors, providing built-in diversification when investing in a handful of these stocks. This diversification can help spread risk across different industries. Historical data often shows that blue-chip stocks have outperformed the broader market over the long term. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, it can be an encouraging factor for investors. Blue-chip companies are often leaders in their respective industries. Their dominant market positions can translate into competitive advantages and pricing power, which can lead to consistent profitability. Blue-chip stocks are considered less speculative, making them appealing to a broad range of investors, including institutional investors and pension funds. This investor confidence can contribute to stable stock prices. Blue-chip companies typically have experienced and capable management teams. This can instill confidence in investors, as effective leadership is crucial for a company's success. Some blue-chip stocks, particularly those in sectors like utilities or consumer goods, can serve as a hedge against inflation. They may have the ability to raise prices in response to inflationary pressures, protecting the real value of your investment. It's important to note that while blue-chip stocks offer numerous advantages, they are not immune to market fluctuations, and individual performance can vary. Investors should conduct thorough research, diversify their portfolios, and consider their specific financial goals and risk tolerance when investing in blue-chip stocks. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is an investment strategy where an investor consistently contributes a fixed amount of money into an investment at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This approach helps reduce the impact of market volatility on the overall investment. When prices are high, the fixed investment amount buys fewer shares, and when prices are low, it buys more shares. Over time, DCA aims to lower the average cost per share, potentially reducing the overall risk of investing while promoting disciplined and systematic investment habits. It is often used as a long-term strategy for building wealth in a diversified portfolio of assets like stocks or mutual funds. DCA helps mitigate the risk of making large investments at the wrong time. By investing a fixed amount regularly, beginners avoid the pressure of timing the market, reducing the likelihood of buying at a market peak and potentially suffering significant losses. Investing can evoke strong emotions, such as fear and greed, which can lead to impulsive decisions. DCA encourages discipline by sticking to a predetermined investment plan, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. It fosters a habit of consistent investing. For beginners, building a regular investment routine is essential for long-term wealth accumulation and financial success. DCA allows beginners to start investing with small amounts of money. This makes it accessible for those who may not have a significant amount of capital to invest upfront. Trying to time the market can be psychologically stressful, especially for new investors. DCA removes the pressure of making precise market entry decisions and simplifies the investment process. DCA takes advantage of the mathematical principle of buying more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, inherently lowering the average cost per share over time. It encourages a long-term perspective on investing. Instead of obsessing over short-term market fluctuations, beginners can focus on their long-term financial goals. DCA can be set up to occur automatically, streamlining the investment process. This automation ensures that investors consistently contribute to their portfolios without requiring constant attention. DCA promotes diversification by regularly investing in a range of assets. This diversified approach can help beginners spread risk across different investments. Over time, DCA allows beginners to witness the resilience of their investments through various market conditions, providing valuable experience and confidence. Dollar cost averaging is crucial for beginner investors because it provides a systematic, disciplined, and low-risk approach to building wealth in the financial markets. It helps newcomers avoid common investment pitfalls associated with market timing and emotional decision-making, making it an ideal strategy for those starting their investment journey. As an example, investing in healthcare and biotech stocks can be significant for a variety of reasons and offers both opportunities and challenges for new investors. Healthcare and biotech industries are poised for long-term growth due to factors like an aging population, increasing healthcare spending, and advancements in medical technology. These sectors are at the forefront of medical innovation and breakthroughs. New investors can participate in companies that develop life-changing treatments, therapies, and technologies. Including healthcare and biotech stocks in a diversified portfolio can spread risk. These stocks often have different performance patterns compared to other sectors, helping to balance a portfolio. Healthcare stocks are considered defensive investments because people need medical services and medications regardless of economic conditions. This can provide stability during economic downturns. Some healthcare companies pay dividends, providing a source of passive income for investors. For new investors interested in healthcare and biotech stocks, consider the following suggestions. Start by learning about the healthcare and biotech sectors, including key players, regulatory processes, and industry trends. Understanding the unique dynamics of these sectors is crucial. Avoid putting all your investments into a single healthcare or biotech stock. Diversify across different companies and subsectors to spread risk. Recognize that healthcare and biotech stocks can be highly volatile due to factors like clinical trial outcomes and regulatory approvals. Assess your risk tolerance and consider these factors when investing. Conduct thorough research on the companies you're interested in. Understand their pipelines, financial health, competitive advantages, and regulatory challenges. Keep up to date with industry news and developments. Regulatory changes, clinical trial results, and FDA approvals can significantly impact stock prices. If you're unsure about picking individual stocks, consider healthcare and biotech ETFs. These funds provide exposure to a diversified basket of companies in the sector. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or investment professional who specializes in healthcare and biotech investments. They can provide tailored guidance based on your financial goals. Healthcare and biotech investments often require a long-term perspective. Patience can be rewarded as companies progress through clinical trials and product development. Be aware of the regulatory risks associated with these sectors. Regulatory approvals can be uncertain, and delays or rejections can impact stock prices. If you're interested in biotech stocks, consider companies working on treatments for diseases you're passionate about. Investing for impact can add a sense of purpose to your investments. Remember that healthcare and biotech stocks carry inherent risks, including clinical trial failures, competition, and regulatory challenges. They can also be affected by broader healthcare policy changes. Careful research and risk management are essential when investing in these sectors. Today in this video, we've unraveled the secrets of blue-chip stocks, dollar-cost averaging, and the immense potential of healthcare and biotech stocks. These tried-and-true investment strategies, coupled with astute decision-making and a commitment to long-term financial success, can pave the way to your prosperity. Remember, the journey of investment is a continuous learning process, and your financial goals are well within reach. Thank you for joining us in this enriching exploration, and may your path to success be as promising as your dedication on Poetics of Success.